Hi everyone, welcome to Mockupart. Today I will show you how to create a furniture level design mockup in Photoshop. Let's get started. At first, you select the pen tool and select the level areas and press the Ctrl plus button from keyboard for zoom in the canvas. Just create a point and select the level area roughly. Now again select the add anchor point tool and create the point and adjust the curve areas properly. And press Ctrl minus button for zoom out the canvas. You can see the level area are selected with pen tool properly. Again select the pen tool and click on the shape option. The shape one layer is here. This is our object ID layer. Select the rectangle tool and draw a rectangle. The rectangle size is the 1000 pixels by 700 pixel. Change the rectangle color and right click on the layer and select convert to smart object option. Change the layer name smart object. Drag down this layer. Press Ctrl T button from keyboard for transform. Resize the smart object. Then right click on it and select wrap option. Go to custom and select arch. Adjust the arch according to level. Again press Ctrl T and adjust the size. Press the right option. Hold the control button and click here of object ID layer. Then select the smart object layer and add mask here. Turn off the object ID layer and double click on the smart object for open in a new tab. Now you can place your design here. Then go to file and click the save option. You can see your smart object is updated with your design. Then hold Ctrl button and click on mask. Select the layer 1 and press Ctrl J from keyboard. drag the layer to here and press Ctrl J 2 times for 2 new copies. Rename the layers light, midtone and shadow. Turn off the light layer and midtone layer. Select the shadow layer and change layer mode normal to linear burn. Then turn on the midtone layer and change the layer mode normal to linear dodge add. And adjust the levels. Press Ctrl L and adjust the level points. Then turn on the light layer and change the layer mode normal to screen. Again press Ctrl L for levels. Adjust the levels points. Now press OK. You can see your mockup is ready to use. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.